Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Learn with Aiza. In this lesson we will see past perfect tense in detail. So let's start. What is past perfect tense? The past perfect tense is a tense used in past to indicate the action that had taken place at some specific time. For example, they had visited London multiple times. We had completed our assignment. These are few examples of past perfect tense. Okay, it means something that had happened in the past at some specific time. Okay, making subject plus had plus verb, which were past participle, plus object at the end sign of period. It is the most easy tense because there is only one helping verb used with every subject. Okay, whether it is first person pronoun, whether it is second person pronoun, third person pronoun, or any noun. We are going to use had as a helping verb in past perfect tense with third form of verb that is also known as past participle. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Let's see the examples. I had played cricket on Sunday. He had gone to a new school. At 8 o'clock we had breakfast. She had worked at university. Those days most people had used emails. There are so many pronouns we have used in these examples, and with every pronoun we have used helping verb had. I had, he had, we had, she had, most people had. It means we have used had as a helping verb with every pronoun and noun to make the sentence past perfect tense. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So let's see how do we make affirmative sentences of past perfect tense. Any sentence that is positive is known as affirmative sentence, making subject plus had plus verb plus object at the end sign of period, and with had we will use third form of verb that is known as past participle. Okay, so let's move to see the examples. They go to school. They, with they, which helping verb will use to make this sentence past perfect tense? They had went, gone to school. I sleep early, and we are going to make it past perfect. It means I had slept early. Cat drinks the milk. Cat had drank the milk. You will have to memorize forms of verb to get excel in past perfect tense. Okay, for that I'll share the link of forms of verb in description box as well. Negative sentences. Before letting know how to make negative sentences of past perfect tense, I request you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Negative sentences. Some action had not happened, something no longer existed, or that a subject had not possessed a particular quality in past. It means in a specific time period. Okay, let's see the making. Negative sentence. So you will have to add only one word, and that is not, with the helping verb had. Subject plus had not plus third form of verb plus object at the end sign of period. Examples. I fly to England. I had flown to England. Now we were supposed to make it negative. So I had not flown to England. They practice yoga. They had not practiced yoga. Alia loves to play piano. Alia had not loved to play piano. The next is interrogative sentences, in which we ask a question. To make interrogative sentences, the easy way is to make affirmative sentence first and then pick up the had from its place and put it in the beginning of the sentence. Had in the beginning of the sentence plus subject plus verb plus object at the end, mark of interrogation. Which verb? Third form of verb, that is also known as past participle. Examples: he speaks truth. First, make it affirmative sentence of past perfect tense. He had, speak, spoke, spoken, truth. Now, let's pick up had and put it in the beginning of sentence. Had he spoken truth at the end, mark of interrogation. I love to play with kids. Had I loved to play with kids? Mark of interrogation. They run earlier. Had they run earlier? Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So it is the wrap-up time. We have learned in this lesson what is past perfect tense, use of had. I want to add here that this is the most easy tense, I believe, because there is only one helping verb, so you don't need to think that with which subject you will have to use which helping verb. Okay, you will have to use had with every subject. Past participle means third form of verb, making of sentences of past perfect tense with examples. I'll wait for your precious feedback in the comment section, and I hope that you have already clicked the like button. So, see you later with another lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.